and today our video is different because it's also a different day for me, because I had my new phone again. I was an Android user and now I'm Apple user. It's my first time to get Apple. Some of my friends just encouraged me to do that, so I just want to share the unboxing for my iPhone Pro 11 Max. So it's a new experience. So let's unboxing together. This is the phone, this is the box. I got midnight green, the color. It's like this. Okay. This is the phone. This is the phone. I like the shape. It's so good. It's a little bit, it's heavy, but that means the material is so good. So this is the phone. This is a brochure. This, hi, hello. This is a brochure of the phone, and then this is remaining. This is charging cable, fast charger, of course. This is a charging cable. Let's open it. This is a charging cable. Okay. And this is the wire charging. And this is a headset. But like, I will not use this one because I am using to use a headphone, big headphones. So this is my moment. I just enjoy this one, and I will see the new experience if it's good or not. And thank you so much. It's just very good video, and this is everything. Last time, this is all the package. This is the video. Let us open together.
Put your side.
That's the phone. Thank you so much for watching, and just see us again, and join, subscribe and like and comment, and be one from our family. Thank you so much. Goodbye.